Well, another day, another site. Only got about a half hour today, but I just got a really high squeaking tone. Normally it'll be like a big iron bolt or something. So I popped out this like clip out of the hole and I just covered it back up and assumed that it was nothing else, but I swung back over it and it turned into like a 1049. And I popped it out, beautiful green on it. Don't even know if I want to bang it off. I love this. Love the old buckles. But still got some leather on it. Speaking of, I've been wanting to ask you guys, how long does leather last in the ground? I know it depends on soil conditions, I'm sure, but this is a nice old buckle with the leather still in it. Awesome. Got a really nice signal here. It's probably a clad quarter on the surface. Who knows? I always lift my machine up while I'm detecting to see how far off the ground I get it. And that one was disappearing, but yeah, plumbing.